How to increase Snapchat friends limit. So if you want to increase the Snapchat friends limit, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Snapchat, or just simply tap and hold on to your Snapchat and then go with the app info. Under app info, now you need to go with storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. Once you've tap on clear cache, now you just need to simply go back and go and update your application. So go with your Play Store, and on your Play Store you can go with search, and under search you can search for Snapchat, and then if you have any updates you just need to simply tap on update and update your application. Once you've updated, then you can open up your Snapchat and go with the profile, which is on the top left. Now in your profile you can go with add friends. Scroll down, and here on the friends section you can go with my friends or add friends, and from here you'll be able to accept the friend request that you've received, or you can go with your quick add and then go with add, which is on the right side, and then add persons. So that's how you can increase your Snapchat friends limit, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.